Hi everyone, I just want to welcome you especially to today's live trading session. My apologies for not coming out earlier. Uh, I've got so much in my uh, table, so I didn't have the chance to come up earlier. And even right now, I will not be able to stay long on this live video, but I thought about the importance of ensuring that this live video holds today, and that's why I'm here with you to have this live trading session. So quickly, I'm just going to get up my screen and begin to show you a few things. But please do remember, just as we would usually do, please like the video and share the video. Share it to all of your contacts. Let them know that we're live. Okay, and then make sure you have seen the weekly analysis. If you haven't seen the weekly analysis, you're doing the wrong thing, because that's you will not be able to understand how far we have gone with understanding what the trading week is like or will be like. Okay, so make sure you share the links. Okay, I personally am sharing the link. Let everyone know that we are live. Okay, new traders, aspiring traders, expert traders, and then traders who want to learn. Okay, let them know that we're live and they can be part of what we're doing. So in the next 5 minutes, let me see what briefly I can show you about the market before I begin to do other things. Okay, so currently I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to be sharing my entire screen so it can be easier for you to be able to see everything I want to show you, even if I'm on the charts. So this is the GJ. I was just looking at this entry. No, there's no confirmation on that entry, so I don't see that as an entry yet. Okay, until when there is a confirmation, we do not take the entries. Remember. So I was looking at GJ from the top down, and I'm seeing that the directional bias looks bullish. If you look at the 1 week time frame, you see it. You go to the 24 hour, you see it. You go to 24 hour, you see it. You go to the 4 hour, 4 hour, you see it. Okay, so but there is a fair value gap that I have mapped out from the 4 hour time frame, which I believe you can see right now. This is the fair value gap. Okay, so if I'm buying or selling or whatever I'm doing with GJ, I'm very much particular and interested in what price will do when it gets there. So, um, first of all, being that I haven't looked at this, is what it's currently doing. I'll be expecting GJs to find a confluence around here, which after it's found that confluence. Okay, so there is a very tiny and small fair time frame somewhere around here, of which I believe that once price gets there, there will be some reasons why the bullish confirmation should start. Okay, so what do you pay attention to? Pay attention to what price will be doing once it gets inside that bullish zone. Like you can see, price is currently there. Okay, so that may be the entry. If that confirms, like giving us a break of structure and change of character, then stay tuned, because I will be giving you the entry. So stay very active on the free channel, because GJ is for the free channel. So I thought to do that first because that's what I'm currently seeing in the markets. But to take you straight up to the one we always do first, the DXY, the dollar index, you see that it has actually done what I said it should do. Okay, it went bearish already, and is looking like it's a retracing. But let's do a quick top down. Okay, so we can see, because some few moves have gone, I purposely and deliberately will not be taking any entry this today because of what I'm seeing. So I believe from Tuesday, the market directional bias will be very clear, and then I will be able to ascertain exactly which way to go with the trade. So look very well, you see that from this time frame, it is actually bearish but retracing bullish. Okay, so 24-hour bearish, retracing bullish. So bearish, 4-hour bearish, retracing bullish. Okay, and the price has touched this zone. Okay, though it's created already a bullish order block on this side on the 4-hour. So because of that bullish order block, I will not expect it to go bearish except that block is mitigated, as you can see. So that block might take it up at least for some time, of which if there is a bullish confirmation, then you may just go short on the bearish for uh GU. Okay, free channel for the VIP channel. You can go short on EU. Take note of that. So, but just know that there is no clear directional bias on this right now. The bullish move has already occurred, which is this. Okay, it's retracing bearish. So, if you try to go in right now for this entry, you might not get the market movement very correct because directional bias is not clear. So, this was silver. I told you on Friday during the weekly analysis. I think so. I told you to buy silver. So if you look well, you see it actually went well. It went to hit take profit. Okay. So this entry was not posted on the group. So it's only for those who were part of the weekly analysis. They were the only ones who were able to see that particular entry. So the people USDT, which is for the crypto side of what we're doing, I told you that we will only buy because there is currently bullish movement going on with the crypto. Okay, so we only find bullish moves only when it's buying. That's when we're going to be getting an entry. So it's mitigated already this liquidity zone. So I'm going to just keep my eyes on the people USDT until I get a confirmation on the bullish movement. Okay, so that will be basically all for Forex, crypto, CFDs, commodities. The next one, which is very much important to look, is the synthetics. Like I will always tell you, if I have time for the synthetics, I will always talk to you about it. I feel I can just remember that there was an entry that I told you about during the weekly analysis, and I quickly just want to just talk about it in this live trading class. What it's basically done already before any other thing comes up. Okay, so this is the volatility 25. I'm trying to remember if it's jump 25 or it's volatility 25. That was the entry. Okay, volatility 25 was the one I told you will be ranging at least for some time, and I will not be able to ascertain the directional bias until the blocks are mitigated. So you can see it did exactly what I told you. Okay, it ranged, and it's taking out the block, and the directional bias is now looking more, clearer. Of which, if you go bullish from here, let's just say from here to here, very short. Okay, very short, not long. Very short. Take note of that. Very short. I repeat, very short. So stop loss should just be somewhere around here. Very short. Very tight. That's what I'm saying on volatility 25. And if you go to jump 25, you can see that one that I posted. Okay, this is it. So this was jump 25. I told you to sell jump 25. If you look, you see it has hit take profit already. So he has made new moves, and I will have to reanalyze to see the next entry before I post the next move for you on jump 25. So that's basically on the synthetic side. Then we'll just stop the live trading session now. It's not very convenient over here. It's not very convenient over here as I just try to see how to get the live trading session done in spite of the limitation and the difficulties. So, but you need to stay very active on the VIP group and the free channel. For those of you that want to be on the VIP, it's so simple. Just go to our website, kfctrading.com, and subscribe to any of the packages. We have a very small package, 1 month subscription, which is just about $20. Okay, so that will give you access. So for those of you who are already there, just watch out for my updates. I'm going to be updating you on the VIP channel. If you're on the free channel, I'll be updating you as well. So, but just stay attentive to all the updates as I will be posting it. But these are the few I can show you in this live trading session. So get ready for all the updates on the group as truly the forex markets really changed lately. Opportunities are very minimal and very small, but that's what I always tell you: stick to A setups, please. Otherwise, you're gonna blow that account. You're gonna lose that money. Stick to A setups. Make sure it's only A setups. If you are not seeing that entry, don't take it, and don't force entries. For me, I'm avoiding counter trading. I'm avoiding it seriously because I don't know. The manipulation is something else, especially if you're trading GU and EU. If you are very conversant with some popular mentors who trade in the forex and crypto space, you'll notice that a lot have stopped trading GU lately and EU. And that's because of what's going on. Now, I may not be able to answer the questions why, but all I need you to know is that we do not own or control the market. We are retail traders. We're not even the big players. We're not even market movers. We just come, we trade like the big players. Like we're able to know where they're going to come in from, and we take advantage of their liquidity zones to find our entries. That's basically what we do. So if the market is no more moving, we can't move it. We can only look for the opportunities. I'm telling you, the opportunities are very small. So don't get victimized by the manipulation. Only find A setups before you go in. Stay active on the group, like I said. Then expect the weekly review up, okay, towards the end of the week. But be patient. Whatever you are seeing right now in the forex and crypto space, be patient. It's because of the new administration in America. It's affecting a lot of things. The dollar has for long been a universal currency for a lot of countries all around the world, especially for us in this part of Africa, Nigeria. So that has affected a lot of things. In other places where it is not, it may not have affected it, and that's why we're considering JPY. So just try and understand all of that in case the slow time and the slow experiences makes you feel like, oh, what's really going on? Be patient. Everything is going to be corrected soon. But the little opportunities, maximize it, and you will still make money. That's how to make money in trading this week. See you during the weekly review. Have a great trading week.